Hey! Remember why you didn't pay the rent? No! Don't kill me! Is he dead? Dan! Hi, Alan! Kids, here have your assignment. It has to be, is the world a planet? Tell me about space, guys. You have to tell me about space, okay, kids?
I'll tell you about space.
You let up! Hey, dude, you know what I'm gonna draw?
Give me your homework. Yeah, you do right.
Dude, you know.
I'm going to write something else. So look. I'm going.
Dude, dude, do you know what it is? They're peepees.
You are a pig.
What the fuck are you drawing? What the fuck are you drawing? What the fuck?
You're a pig.
Bitch, you're not.
Hey, go on, you got to get killed. Double self-kill.
Go sit the fuck down.
No. I talk Spanish English. You can't tell me what to get. You're breaking our wages. You know, kids never learn.
Yup, they never fucking
I'm
learn.
calling kids studies.
Yup.
Don't know.
What the fuck is that? Is that pee-pee?
Yes, yours. The kid drawing.
You're expelled! Don't come to school!
Fuck.
What?
It wasn't me, it was the kid who was wrong. Cause I respect you. I don't care what skin color you are. I don't even care your race anymore.
Don't say that. If not, we're gonna get demonetized.
No, we're not. It's school time. You wanna fight me, cool?
Who the fuck threw that?
Don't mind.
Get the fuck out of my class.
I'll be back, teacher.
Ow! The teacher didn't have to do that.
I hate my teacher.
Why?
He threw me over there, over the table.
That's just fucked up.
We have to use a table because we don't fit seats.
Yup. We don't even have a classroom. We do this outside.
Yep. We do it anywhere mostly.
Yup.
Mostly where the teacher fucking wants.
Oh,
He's good.
I'm tired. Hey, Black Panther. Hey, Black Panther.
No, teacher.
Black Panther.
Teacher, no.
Ah!
Pick me up.
Where are you?
I'm
Kids,
in class.
back to class.
Mommy, I'm looking up the answer to. Ooh.
Your parents are gonna have to come and pick it up, Mr.
Papa, keep watching. I'm gonna get his phone. Pick me up.
What the fuck did I tell you? Be good at class. Kids, let's get back to the class.
Cállese, I'm watching a YouTube video. It's super cool video too.
What the fuck are you watching?
I like this channel.
I'm getting sick of you motherfuckers. I'm sorry about those few times. Let's get back to the class.
I want
What?
Super Mario Logan. He's a popular channel.
You want that? You want that to happen to you? That? Give me the fucking phone right here.
No. What is this?
Fuck you, Iron Man. I tell you to fucking listen to me.
Keep going.
Now let me get back to Cheech. You know what? Do what the fuck you want. Remember, guys, subscribe and put notifications.
I hate you, teacher.